How many times have I told you, Edric, not to interfere with things that you don't understand?
I was trying to escape.
In the TSS? You were lucky you didn't destroy the whole Kinder tribe.
I didn't realize it would be that difficult to control.
That isn't the point.
We interrupt regular programming to bring you a message from Her Majesty's government. Please stand by and await further information. We interrupt regular programming to bring you a message from Her Majesty's government. Please stand by and await further information. This is an emergency warning from the BBC. Information of a possible danger to national security. The current threat level is critical, meaning danger is imminent. Civilians are advised to stay in your homes. Follow the following orders without question. You should stay in your homes unless police advise otherwise. Count the number of humans in your home. Do not say the number out loud. Put each member of your household in separate rooms. Citizens with children, if you hear them scream, do not help them. Do not feed them. Do not feed them. Do not feed them.
You should never have got into that unit.
But as it turned out, no one was hurt.
Apart from Aris.
A flesh wound.
Try to understand.